What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got a wounded warrior here from a local guy, and I'm gonna say we've got our hands full.
It's got issues.
Yeah, it's got issues. All right, let's get into it. All right, boys, so he dropped it off this morning and really just wanted us to get the timing set, and it goes a lot deeper than that. We're not really sure.
It's got some compression.
It does have compression on number 3.
Yeah.
We weren't getting any spark at number 3 cylinder, like it was cold, but just ran compression. It got a little bit. The story we got was they went to put it had a miss and they swapped the heads
and
the cam, but we don't really know why.
It is making a little noise in here, so
yeah,
probably just need to pull this and
we've got it tapping, so maybe pull the upper plenum and yank a valve cover, see if we can see anything visually.
yeah, so we need to definitely pull the valve cover.
You can tell it's got fresh heads and gaskets on it. Don't know what kind they are, but
Got some headers too.
we need to help out here. Yeah, we need to give it some love for sure. But yeah, guys, I guess we're gonna get it in and see if we can do some visual inspection, see why it's tapping. Yeah, actually, one thing, guys, you got to see that they did the S197 seats in red, and I really dig it. Like, they had the backs done. I don't know if this will open or, yeah, but they actually had the backs recovered to match the fronts. And seriously, like, it's not bad. It's down here so we can get in. Yeah, I was like, and they sit really good in the car. You guys that have ever done S197 seats in your Fox, they really do fit good. I'm not a big fan of that, but maybe it'll start. Let's see. So what do we got here? Got a freaking roller rockers on it.
I don't know, I said we rolled it over and see what it's doing, huh?
Yeah, I wonder why it's tapping. Is it the kit? Is it the conversion kit, or is that actual stud mount rocker?
The cylinder it's missing, you know, I don't know if it's got anything to do with it, but the cylinder it's missing, it's got a rusty,
yeah.
one rusty spring there for some reason.
Yeah.
All the rest of them look good.
Interesting.
Yeah, interesting. Go spin her over and let's see if it's doing anything here.
Let's see what she do here.
Unplugged it cool.
Yes, unplug the coil.
Go.
They're moving on. Keep cranking.
Interesting.
That's good.
All right, guys, we're gonna check compression on this cylinder again. Climb in here. Fire and hold. One more time. What is it? Ah, that's not good.
It felt good though.
Yeah.
You can definitely tell it's got it.
We're not even really sure what heads these are. They could be World Products heads. They say 289 there.
They ain't stopped.
No, they're definitely not stock.
Looks like everything else is, but not the heads.
Interesting. Yeah, pull the plenum up. All right, guys, so real quick, we're going to go ahead and pull the plenum, and we're going to swap the injectors. We've got spark, we got good compression, so we're going to swap injectors between number 2 and number 3, and see if maybe we got issue there. But they've been fighting a miss for a while. You can tell they got a new coil, they got a new distributor, new MSD box.
So they changed heads?
And changed heads and cam. Well, something's up.
whenever that car thing folks is doing.
All right, guess we ready to see if we just wasted a lot of time. Let's do it.
He's good there. Pretty fast.
Yeah, you can do it.
Dead.
Yep. Well, at least we solved that problem. We'll pull it back apart, put that other injector in there. That'll solve that issue. Yeah, it's definitely better. All right, couple quick taps with a pry bar, the injector's working again. Same way you do with a starter, you can do with an injector, especially one that's been sitting a long time. They'll gum up and not work. All right, guys, we're gonna run her up the road real quick, see how it does. Definitely feels more peppy.
Feels better already.
Not bad.
Smooth.
Yeah. Alright guys, so the verdict is the mist is fixed. Just a little tap.
Nice and smooth now.
We're good. Makes pretty good power. Runs good. The seats are definitely comfortable.
Yeah, it's more nice.
I'm gonna look into these S197 seats because they're pretty nice. Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to be a wrap on this one. They had an issue, couldn't track down, and after a little checking, injector, check those injectors. Guys, especially, I'm telling you, if your car sat a long time, they'll start gumming up inside. Check your injectors, take them out, take them somewhere. A lot of these shops will have machines that can flow and clean them at the same time. Just make sure they're good to go, and when in doubt, just tap them like you would a starter, and a lot of times they'll just start working. Worked on this one. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it helps. If it did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll see you at Ford Takeover.